Welcome back. Hawak na muli ng San Beda Red Lions ang most coveted na NCAA Seniors Basketball Championship. Sa loob ng 11 years, 9 na taong naghari ang San Beda sa tournament na ito.
At makakasama natin ngayong gabi ang Red Lions, sina Calvin Oftana, Junjun Bonsubre, Davon Potts, Robert Bolick, AC Soberano, Finals MVP Nuno Noa at Team Captain Dan Sara and JV Mocon. Guys, welcome to The Score. First of all, congratulations. Road to Redemption, finally redeemed, no? Simulan na natin, Team Captain Dan Sara. After yung tough loss nyo last year sa kamay ng Letran, ano yung mindset nyo papasok dito sa NCAA 92 season? Especially, alam nyo, wala si Baser, wala si Ola Adiogon, wala si Art De La Cruz. Ano yung mindset nyo coming into the season?
Ano lang, it's redemption. As in, we always thought of, after a heartbreak, we always thought of getting back the crown, back to Mindiola.
And Davon, last year after San Beda lost, you were seated behind the bench, seeing the team in tears and at a loss because it was the first time in so many years that San Beda wasn't the champion in the NCAA. What was going through your mind, and how did you prepare yourself to make an impact as part of the team this season?
What was going through my mind at that moment was when I was with Bullock, we stared at each other, literally stared at each other and said, we need to bring this back next year. It was a big heartbreak for the team last year, for all of us last year, and I knew in this year a lot of us were new, so it was just going to be a collective effort for all of us to bring that crown back to Mindiola.
I want to ask you, Nuno, before the finals started, you were averaging less than double digits. But you took your game to another level in the finals against Arellano. What motivated you? Was it a matchup you knew that you could take the other bigs of Arellano? What motivated you to perform really well in the finals and get that finals MVP?
I can say redemption, because we lost last year, and this year I really want to do something for the team, especially when we lose Donald.
Yeah.
Because of the ACL. So I really wanted to do something for the team.
Did Donald give you any advice when he went down? What did he tell you?
He told me to focus on the most focus on the import, because when you play against the imports, they also give him a lot of ball, a lot of passes. So he told me to focus on the import and to always watch if someone is cutting to the basket.
Matanong ko sa'yo, Robert, para sa'yo, ano yung naging, kasi in every championship season, usually merong turning point sa buhay ng isang team. Para sa'yo, ano yung naging turning point nitong season nyo?
Siguro yung turning point nung natalo ata kami sa GRU nun. Tinambakan kami, tapos trinay namin maghabol. Madami kasi nag-criticize sa amin, sa coaches namin, sa amin players, pero nagtitinginan lang kami sa itsura na alam namin yung time na yun na di pwede talaga this year matalo kami. So after that, talagang tuloy-tuloy na kami, kumpiyansa namin, iba na yung chemistry namin talagang, lalo na kami nagkaka-family na talaga. Hindi na team family na nangyayari sa amin.
Speaking of family, Junjun, matagal nang naging bahagi ng San Beda, naglaro ka para sa Red Cubs, Red Lions. Gaano katindi yung mga ensayo nyo at samahan bilang isang pamilya nga dito sa Mindiola?
Actually, nung natalo kami nung Game 1 sa Final Four, lumabas kami, mga players lang, tapos nag-bowling para kain, para magkasama-sama, parang regroup. Tapos yun na.
JV, ikaw naman also, coming from the juniors program, champion in the juniors, ngayon champion in the seniors division. Ano masasabi mo tungkol dito sa culture na dinala ni Coach Jamaic sa Red Lions?
Kasi si Coach Jamaic sobrang, pwede mo siya lapitan anytime. Pwede mo sabihin kahit ano, ganun siyang tao, sobrang bait niya. For me, Coach Jamaic, siya yung nag-improve ako dahil sa kanya.
Pero grabe magalit din yan.
Oo, pero yun ganun siya. It's all part of the system. Yun yung pag nagalit siya, gusto mo pa lalong bumawi para sa kanya. Gusto mo manalo para sa kanya.
Ikaw naman, Calvin, from Dumaguete, transfer ka from Asian College Dumaguete. Paano ka nakapag-adjust playing in the province, tapos pumunta ka sa Lions Den, tapos isang napaka-intense na coach na si Coach Jamaic Pang humahawak sa inyong mga practices?
Mahirap kasi sa province, talagang hindi ganong physical. Parang giveaway lang yung laro doon. Tapos pag lipat ko dito, parang nanibago ako. Tapos sa Team B, because of Coach Ford, parang motivate niya ako. Tapos yun, parang nakuha ko na yung kung paano maglaro sa Red Lions. Tapos yung kay Coach Jamaic naman, sinusunod ko lang siya. Pag pinapagalitan niya ako, parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan ko mag-work hard pa para sa team, para makatulong naman.
Sino ba mga ka-match up mo sa practice? Si Mox ba?
Hindi. William Navarro.
Si
Minsan
William.
nag-performan ako kasi parang ina-adjust ako ni Coach Jamaic kasi walang ibang nagbibigman kasi.
AC, yung ka-matchup nyo sa finals, sabi nila, yun yung best backcourt sa NCAA, si Halalon and Salado. But against ang Arellano, hindi nanalo sa inyo buong season, 5-0. What was it about Arellano? Extra motivated ba kayo sa Arellano or mas maganda yung matchup nyo sa Arellano? What was it about Arellano na hindi sila nanalo sa inyo?
Siguro yung namin, teamwork and yung puso namin sa pag naglalaro. Kaya kami nanalo sa Arellano. Yung Arellano malakas talaga sila eh. Pero pag naglaro kami as one page, ganun. Tapos yun nga yung hard work, teamwork, yung pagkabuo ng team namin. Sabi nga ni coach, yung team namin build na selfless, kaya yun nagawa namin kung nasan kami ngayon.
Since nabanggit nga ni Marco yung best backcourt, everybody's been saying best backcourt, Salado and Halalon. I want to ask Devon and Robert, what did you feel when you were hearing this stuff, all this talk that Arellano has the best backcourt? Were you in a way a little bit disrespected that people were overlooking you guys?
Sa akin naman, ito kita sa challenge lang. Kasi pag may mga ganong klaseng players, gusto mo silang matapatan. So for me, self-motivated lang ako maglaro. Sabi ko, if they're the best, syempre, if you want to be the best din, dapat you go compete with the best. So sabi ko, alam ko naman, di namin kaya sila na individual. Sabi ko, let's just play kung anong kaya namin. Eventually, we won. So dahil doon, extra motivated ako. For sure, si Dabon din, ganun din.
Devon, do you agree that Salado and Halalon are the best backcourt, or do you think that you guys have the best backcourt?
Honestly, I feel like they do. They did give respect where respect is due. They were the best backcourt this year. But at the same time, all of us, all the guards, we took it as a challenge. And us seeing them as a challenge for them being the best backcourt. We just took it as upon a team to just know that we just don't believe following the hype. We just do what we have to do to win.
I want to ask Dan. Dan, you're graduating, you're team captain. Kwento mo sa amin konti, ano yung laman nung pre-game speech ni Coach Jamaic? Alam ko mahilig sa motivational quote si Coach Jamaic. Ano yung pinag-usapan nyo during the pre-game before game 2?
Always nire-remind kami ni Coach Jamaic how to be selfless. Collective team effort, contributing with each other, na kaya namin as one family, one group, and para sa goal namin in one page. Ayun lang. And always niya nire-remind sa amin na he's proud of us.
Well, sabi nga ni Coach Jamaic, this team was built to be selfless, and that was the reason kung bakit naiuwi ng Red Lions ang corona sa NCAA Season 92. Dan, best of luck in the next step in your career. We'll see you guys again, rest of the Red Lions next year. And thank you guys for coming in to The Score.
Thank you.
For more sports updates, keep watching The Score. And don't forget to subscribe.